Sermon number 33. At the time of setting, for the battle of Jamal. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Abdullah ibn Abbas says that when Amir al-Mu'mineen set out for war with the people of Basra, he came to his audience at Zad-e-Rah and saw that he was stitching his shoe. Then he said to me, "What is the price of this shoe?" I said, "It has no value now." He then said, "By Allah, it should have been more dear to me than ruling over you but for the fact that I may establish right and ward off wrong." Then he came out and spoke. Verily, Allah sent Muhammad, peace be upon him and his progeny, when none among the Arabs read a book or claimed prophethood. He guided the people till he took them to their correct position and their salvation. So their spears, that is officers, became straight and their conditions settled down. By Allah, surely I was in their lead till it took shape with its walls. I did not show weakness or cowardice. My existing march is also like that. I shall certainly pierce the wrong till right comes out of its side. What cause of conflict is there between me and the Quraysh? By Allah, I have fought them when they were unbelievers and I shall fight them when they have been misled. I shall be the same for them today as I was for them yesterday. By Allah, the Quraysh only take revenge against us because Allah has given us, that is the Holy Prophet and his progeny, preference over them. So, we have allowed them into our domain, whereupon they have become as the former poet says. By my life, you continued drinking fresh milk every morning. And, continued, eating fine stone dates with butter. We have given you the nobility which you did not possess before. And surrounded, protected, you with thoroughbred horses and tawny-colored, spears, strong, spears.